Hello learners! It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about the properties of soil. Do all soil let water through quickly?
No. Different types of soil let water through at different speeds.
But teacher, how do we find out how fast each type of soil lets water through?
Well,
Let's find out.
For this experiment, you will need a spoon, 3 pieces of cotton wool, a plastic bottle, a funnel, a measuring cylinder, water, and a tray. You will also need 3 samples of soil, sandy, clay, and loamy. We will first start with the clay soil. Insert some cotton wool into the funnel and scoop some clay soil into the same funnel. Place the funnel over the opening of the plastic bottle. We are now ready for the experiment. Slowly pour 30 milliliters of water over the clay soil. Then, observe the water that collects in the plastic bottle for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the funnel and use the measuring cylinder to measure the water collected in the bottle. How much water has been collected?
The clay soil let 14.5 milliliters of water pass through in 2 minutes.
Now that you know how the experiment goes, let's go ahead and do the same for the rest of the soil samples. So class, based on the results, which type of soil lets water flow through the fastest?
The sandy soil collected the most amount of water. Hence, it allows water to pass through the fastest.
Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.